So I get these types of comments more often than you'd think, basically ridiculing my business because it sells slime. And while I do understand that in the public eye, slime may not be the most complex of products, it takes a lot more work than you think. First of all, I'm a kid, not a grown man, just to clear the air. And just because my product may not be what you deem to be mature or authentic doesn't mean my business is easy. There are so many things that every single business has to do regardless of what the product is. For a moment, let's forget about all the work I put into thinking of ideas and making my products, even though that's still a lot of work. I had to build my website, take all the pictures you see on my website, write all the dialogue on my website, and import each product's information. I also package hundreds of orders every week, which is a lot more time consuming than you probably imagine it to be, all while going to high school from 7:30 to 3:30 every day. So yes, I understand that you think I just pour glue and borax into the machine and charge $10 for it, but I assure you that it's a lot more complicated than I make it appear to be on TikTok.